Hello everyone. So today I try to show you how to turn off the maintenance light of the Toyota Corolla from 2014 to 2016. So as you can see right now, my car have like maintenance required light, and I will try to turn it off. See, now I have oil change do it already. So let me show you. At first, you need to change the the display over here to be chip A over here. You see that? Okay. So I will try to turn it. Now I need to turn off the engine. So I turn off. Okay. And then now you're gonna hold the DISP button over here. Hold it. Okay, you hold it, and then you turn the key, but not turn on the engine. Turn the key, but not turn on the engine. Turn the key. All right. Okay, until all right. So let's see what happened now. Now I will turn on the engine. Okay. And there's no more engine light. See that? No more engine light. Okay. No more maintenance light. Okay. Thank you for watching.